What's good, YouTube? Bediako TV back with another video. Today I just got this drop. Laser Ship. That's who Nike uses. They just dropped this off. So let's get into it, man. First, let's see what's on the box. Of course, they SBs. So as you can see, it's the Deep Royal, Blue Royal. It's the SB Nike Dunk Low Pro PRM. These are the LA Dodgers dunks. So let's get right into it, man. Check these out. Man, these are really nice. Like, man, they're really nice for real. Okay. Palm trees. Okay, I love palm trees, as you can tell. Yeah, these hard. These are hard. Okay, so they SBs, so you automatically know that they came with yeah, extra shoestrings. I love that about the SBs. Extra shoestrings. Can't go wrong with that. Check these guys out side by side, man. Let's check these out. Man, these are hard. These are hard. Yes, sir. Sheesh. These are hard, man. These are hard. And SBs, they're my favorite dunks because the quality, like, man, they feel so good. Like, when you walk in them, like, I done played basketball in my SBs before, and like, man, I know the skaters love them. But yeah, you got the red and the white shoestrings. Of course, that classic little pink, that bubblegum color right there. It's the bottom of these guys. Palm tree in that one. Got welcome on that one. These are hard, man. SBs, man. Won these in the on the raffle on the what was that? The sneaker app raffle. Took a couple days to get here. I say about a week. But Laser Ship is pretty quick though. I'm not gonna lie. Laser Ship, the company who Nike uses, they're pretty quick, man. And these are fresh out the box, as you can tell. Like, I have not put my foot in these at all, like at all. $10.5, man. These are hard. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about these in the comments, man. What's your favorite dunks that came out this year so far, man? What's your favorite? I think my favorite this year that came out, it might just be the Jackie Robinsons, because they hard. It's between the Jackie Robinson and the lottery dunks. I have both pairs also, so yeah. Speaking from experience, definitely. But yeah, these are too hard, man. Too hard. I'm gonna give a on foot shot of these. I'm gonna do that. Just want y'all to see what these things looking like. I might take these blue laces out and throw in the whites. I don't know, man. These are hard. Man, they did a thing with these, you know what I'm saying? I'm down here in Atlanta, so hey man, we don't really rock with them Dodgers, man. It's Braves all the way, baby. We don't even play around with the Dodgers, but I just had to do these. You know what I'm saying? Hey, Nike, y'all need to drop some Braves dunks, man. Come on now. Come on now. Stop playing with us. Stop playing with my city. They got the like the little stitching, baseball stitching on the swoosh. You see that? Pretty nice detail right there on both swooshes. It's pretty cool. Yeah, but I think that's the only baseball hint that's on these is the stitching on the swoosh, other than the I'm guessing these the colors or whatever. I don't know. Like I said, I'm not no Dodger fan, you know. I just like the kicks, and I won, man. I won. You know what I'm saying? That's what happened, man. But yeah, y'all hit that comment section, man. Let me know how y'all feeling these, man. I'm gonna give y'all an on foot shot of these, man. Let you know how good they feel too. I know they gonna feel amazing, cause they always do, man. They always do. They always do. Sheesh. Okay, you guys, here go the on foot look at these. I like to wear my SBs loose like this. Sometimes I do lace them up, but I have to relace them all the way. Take the shoestrings out and put them in a different way if I relace these. But yeah, here they go. They do feel good on the feet. Not surprised at all. Not surprised at all how good they feel. Yeah, man, so yeah, y'all hit the comment section, let me know what y'all feel about these, how y'all feel about them. Did you win them? Let me know in the comments, man. What shoestrings would you go with? The blue, the red, or the white ones? Let me know in the comment section, man. I appreciate y'all for checking out this video, man. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I do a lot of different content, man, not just shoe content. I do a lot of content, man. Different stuff. You just never know what you might see on my page. You know what I'm saying? Real lifestyle. So, yeah, man. Appreciate it.